In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload videos to Teachable. We'll walk through the exact path inside your Teachable admin so you can add a video to a lesson quickly and confidently. First, log into your Teachable account and head to your admin dashboard. From there, open the specific course where you want the video to live. It helps to have your course structure in mind before you begin, so you know exactly which lesson this video belongs to. Once you're inside the course, go to the curriculum area. This is where all your lessons are organized. You can open an existing lesson if you already have one ready, or create a new lesson if you're building from scratch. When creating a new lesson, give it a clear title so you'll recognize it later, especially if you plan to upload multiple videos. Inside the lesson editor, you'll see options to add different kinds of content. Click Add Content and select the video block. This tells Teachable you'll be attaching a video file that students can play directly within the lesson. A pop-up will appear for the video upload. You can drag and drop your video file straight from your computer into this window or click to browse your device. If you keep your files in cloud storage, you can choose that option as well. Teachable supports common video formats, and MP4 is a great choice for compatibility. Before you upload, consider naming your file clearly, something like Course Module 01 Intro.mp4, so it's easy to identify later. After you select the file, the upload begins. Larger files will take longer, so a stable internet connection is important. Keep the browser tab open during this time to avoid interrupting the transfer. When the upload finishes, Teachable will optimize your video. This processing step prepares multiple versions for smooth playback across different devices and internet speeds. Processing time can vary based on the file size and resolution, so be patient. It's normal for high-definition videos to take a few minutes. While you wait, a helpful tip is to double-check that your video meets your quality goals before uploading. 1080p is often a good balance of clarity and file size. Also, trimming unnecessary intros or dead air before uploading can shorten processing times and improve the student experience. Once optimization completes, your video will be ready inside the lesson. At that point, you can continue building the rest of your lesson content or move on to your next upload. That's all there is to it. You've successfully added a video to your Teachable course.